for Mr. Simon Goggins, Mrs. Goggins, aka Mrs. Goggins, from Postman Pat. How to update your website colours, etc. Okay, so yeah, we know that we're putting them all square. Colours and things go into here once you've logged in. Theme Customizer. This is changing the settings across the whole site.
Yes.
So what you've got in here, for example, general settings.
Yeah, I can do that.
Typography.
Yeah, great.
You can change
Yeah, I can
what
do
the
that.
font is, etc.
Yeah.
And it shows you live before you publish something. You can,
Yeah.
although that's quite nice and then too. These are Google fonts, so it means they go across all devices and etc. really well. Okay, you know, all the text across the whole site basically.
Header line height.
Body link colour, etc. And then press publish afterwards. I think there's an option for buttons as well, you know, like the e-commerce buy now button.
Yeah. Why do you have to go to the theme customer? Oh, that's the Divi one, isn't it?
Yeah, buttons. I think that's button style.
What
Oh yeah, we could have. We've overridden that now anyway. So body width.
Oh, okay, I can do all that.
Or which font you want. I think there should be a colour. Is there not a colour?
Okay then.
So now you can't change colour of the buttons in here. Okay, forget I mentioned this.
There's no drive for.
Colour scheme. Okay, don't touch that.
Why?
Well, that's a general. See how the colour up there changes.
Okay.
They've got these pre-built kind of colour schemes, I suppose. Orange goes quite well with
I quite like the orange.
Should I leave orange?
Because my one's blue.
In fact, now, you know, the e-commerce button, by now, it's probably gone orange, I'm guessing.
So if I design a logo, I better.
Oh, but that's not. That blue's not good, is it?
No.
No.
No, let's go. Get rid of orange.
And it's it.
No, I don't think.
No, we don't like that.
Does it have? Yeah. Can we?
So I can change that anyway, another way. But I just need to know what colour for sure that's going to be.
So I wouldn't, this blue and all that.
Do you want that to be just like a regular, like black or grey, or do you want it?
Yeah, I'd like it grey. I'd like all the typography and kind of a certain.
Should we do it in the same grey as that below, or make it consistent? Or
Yeah, you know, it's all about consistency, isn't it? I don't like all these funny. It's got to be clean, simple typography. You know, I don't like Mickey Mouse typography. It drives me mad. No, I hate it even more when I don't know how to change it. I can sit there going. But can't you do that in?
No, funny enough, the buttons you can't do in there.
Didn't it say buttons there?
I know, but it didn't give you that option. It's weird, isn't it? Colour.
It's strange, isn't it?
There you go. That's grey.
Yeah. How do you know?
Oh, it's a matter of how do you know it's grey? Because I've been told for my whole life.
Okay.
How do you know you're given good information? Right. What's your source?
It's gone green.
You're messing with my mind now.
So what about this arrow?
I can remove that.
And because it's quite wide, isn't it? So if you move the arrow, you
Colour BBB.
and this will go across the board with it.
Yeah.
But we can. The thing is, right? It's easy to put copy in there and stuff like that.
Or copy.
One more copy for each one.
Oh yeah, and that all goes down here. In there.
That's a review.
Yeah, but once.
Can't I write it in there? Like you've got the title and about the piece.
No.
Sure.
I think you can put a short bit of text under here.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Give me a second. Okay, so in here, go into products. Okay, so if we're choosing this one here, you've got the main text, which goes, see what it said, leave a review. If you put text in here, which you will,
yeah.
the review box will go.
Because I don't want a review box, so.
Then you'll go here. And then you've got this secondary text box here, which is a short description here. This is
Okay.
And now if we just save that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it goes in there.
We can get. So we can get.
That'll push that down. But
does it always got to have category urban? We don't really want category urban, do we? Because
no, I can remove that.
Because it's just urban, isn't it? You see what I mean? I don't want that kind of.
Yeah,
It doesn't need to be there, does it? Things like that. It just needs title.
There we go.
Yeah, we don't want that, do we? I'm going to make up some bullshit for each one, you know.
Bullshit?
Yeah.
Oh,
Because people like that, they like a bit of bullshit.
printed using a camel's anus or something.
Something like that. Yeah, because I've got to write, you know, the all G-Clay, archival prints, this, that,
if it was made, you know, using refugees, you know, it's got some story behind it, or you know.
Yeah, and it was shot in, you know, Marrakesh, and you know, they was shot in Bristol. This was made up. And da 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 da. I know where every shot comes from as well.
Let's go to the new one.
So, well, if I start uploading content,
Okay, so that's gone there now.
yeah,
You can put your description in there.
and like we can reduce the size of that.
At 200.
Yeah,
Really? Okay.
yeah.
It's
huge.
great. How's everyone going to know the price, man?
75.
It's not blue anymore.
It's called style.
Okay, like you want 16 or something like that.
Where's that going? And can it go up to there?
No, you don't want to move it up. You need a bit of space, man. You don't need it squashed right up against that.
Leave that for now. We can change it.
Look, I'll change it that size. Yeah. I'll do that now. Look.
Make it 20.
20. Okay.
Yeah.
Somewhere in between. Okay.
Yeah. But. Yeah. You know, it's all about design, isn't it? You know, fucking hell. At the end of the day.
Right. We can just quickly look at adding some more stuff to the homepage rather than just the images. Like you mentioned, maybe having like some kind of divider with a.
But can't you do the scrolling thing?
Well, close up of your
You know, parallax.
Yeah. Let's put some parallax in there.
And this is done with Divi.
Yeah. Okay. We can either have it slide in, or just one static image with text, or just one static image with no text.
It's going to need some text, isn't it? It's going to need some stuff.
Something on over here.
And also on the menu, it's going to have an about, contact, and stuff like that, and all that shit, isn't it? But I can do that in WordPress, though, can't I?
Yeah. So you could have this bit at the top of the products, I imagine.
No.
I mean, maybe you use that as an area just to...
Because I want to just go to shop in the menu,
Mm-hmm.
and then you've got all that bit which we've just been messing about with.
Okay, and what do you see otherwise, though?
I don't know yet. Something like a bit of scrolling kind of text.
But you'll probably want to see some images, some of the products. Maybe not the whole load, but...
Yeah, we could put...
Maybe
you know, a bit like that with Barbarous, you know,
yeah.
shows... Yeah.
Maybe your most recent 3 or something like that.
Yeah.
Or, okay, that's
Something like that, yeah. Which could be easily updated each time,
yeah.
kind of thing.
What's going on?
And also, I'd like to, because I want to put nature up there as well. at some point. So there'd be 2 sections.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? I suppose I'd have to go into
Let's rename this. This is going to be your shop. Goggin store. Let's rename that.
I don't know if he's supposed to be going out today. We didn't text him, didn't she?
Okay, this is how we had it before. This forward image isn't showing. There's one there. Okay.
Oh, weird, isn't it?
Yeah. So,
would it be worth me just really cracking into it, getting all the stuff up and messing about, fucking it up? Oh yeah, because you put that in, didn't you? Oh.
just to wind you up, yeah.
And just maybe picking your brains every now and then where I cock it up, or overall, you know, we can change things at the end as a generic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you got any really much bigger? Okay, we should try that.
You know what I mean? Would it be?
Yeah, just have a little play around, and then if you get stuck, give me a call. And,
yeah, because this is a good start, isn't it? I can kind of see how. But I'm not allowed to mess about with all this advanced stuff.
Min height. Say.
Yeah.
Right. That should fix it. Oh, should we do a...
So who are you working for in...
it's really interesting. It's a guy who sold his business last year at 42 million pounds, and now he's this is his new project. Let's say is to build it's an app on here. It's a fitness app, a bit like Strava and that sort of thing. So, but it's going to be more than that.
63,000 messages in your inbox.
Yeah, I don't really know. This is the app basically, but we're building it at the moment. And so I'm just designing the app basically.
What, like all code and stuff?
I'm doing all the layouts and the design of the screens, and then there's loads of developers in there doing the coding.
Right.
And then occasionally, if I think it's not right, I can use like what I'm doing here, and tell them what code I think they should use. So I kind of use a bit of coding, but mainly it's the design. And there's developers that are in there to do the kind of more tricky stuff.
Cool.
Top.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it's alright. I mean, I don't know how long it'll go on for. It might be a month. It might be 6 months. I don't know. Okay, so I've got an image there at the moment. Oh, it's not parallax though.
Mm.
It's quite nice actually, seeing close-up graphic.
But all that big change, can't it, and all that sort of stuff. I don't know, you can use that fucking thing, driving nuts. Some of the guys I used to work with, the publishers, they'd use like a pen and a mat to do all this stuff, to design.
Yeah.
I was like, how on earth do you actually get to use that? There used to be a real bastard actually trying to go and work on their machine. Scroll down icon size.
There's something that will say parallax on it.
Am I allowed in that?
Yeah, you can go down. We're looking for something called parallax. I'm trying to remember where it is now. That's what makes the image move at a different speed. To the. Damn it!
God damn it!
Maybe this is it. Okay, look. Google that. If you ever get stuck on anything on this Divi parallax image full width, somebody's
Yeah. Well, I had to sort my machine the other day because I chucked away on Time Machine. I physically chucked some stuff off my hard disk, and that was it. You can never empty your Yeah, that sort of thing. You can never empty your and we can put all this shit up the side as well
Yeah, I can do that now.
at some point.
What's it telling us?
And I had to go in and write a load of script. I did.
Yeah.
To delete stuff out of my trash.
Okay, row, use parallax effects, yes. Okay, oh I see, it's the whole row. Yeah. Okay, so basically these are all like rows of content. So your top header's there, the image there's your shop, you know. And to edit that as a whole image, you click on here. So this is the row as a whole.
Right.
I thought I looked in here. Oh, there you go. Use parallax effect. Yes. And then you've got different types of parallax.
Oh,
True. Let's try that. Okay. What was that anyway?
So if I log in, you tell me all the login details because I can't remember what I've done now.
Yeah.
And I can change stuff.
That's not doing it.
That's not really doing it very nicely, is it?
It might be because it's right at the top. It's not. Let's put a copy of it down there. Come on, down there. It's probably print order items. Do you do like 5 copies of A4 sheet, please? Oh yeah, it is. See, it is doing it. See how the white is moving at a different speed to the actual. I've done the same down here. No, that's not going to show because you need more content there.
Well, we don't have to worry about that, do we? Right?
No.
What should I if I just concentrate on getting the shop bit up, and getting that all in place and written and everything there, then we can look at sort of detail at another time, can't we?
No, can you see how that's moving that?
Yeah. But if I want to change, to do the front end, I design it kind of on paper, how I want it to look and get all the content for it, and then we should have a look at it again.
Yeah, okay, we'll do that.
Don't you think? Because I'm not even sure what I'm going to use yet on how I want to do it.
Right, this is the page you're going to edit. This is the home page.
Yeah.
You've got the header, which has got the parallax in there.
Yeah.
If you want to go in there, you can put some text.
Yeah.
Just make sure it's centered. Oh yeah, well, it's centered. Yeah. So you can test if you want to put a message in there, like got an exhibition this week or whatever.
What's the button there?
So you can have a button over the top of it, like
okay.
get in touch or something like that. You can have a little arrow pointing down as well, like a little moving arrow that's pushing someone to scroll down or something.
Because obviously I want to get rid of a lot of stuff on that home page.
Yeah.
They end up more as a big image, and so. But we can. That's not important at the moment. It's better get. I've got to design a logo and shit like that. And could we use? Say I wanted to use colour for background, like on the home page. You can change that.
Yeah. If you basically see in here, click on any of those there. See the background.
Yeah.
That's colour there. But you can use any colour here. You should be able to put your own. That's a gradient colour. Don't know why that's. You should be able to click on that and it adds colour. Sometimes if you can't do something like this, it might be all around Safari. If you go into Google Chrome or Firefox, it's a browser issue. So, but that's where you're supposed to be doing it. I don't know why it's not doing it now. Then you can put your hex code in there,
Well, I tend to do everything in Firefox for coding and all this stuff because I have Safari open at that side and I have all my stuff this side, and I just go update, and I can see it come up in Safari, so I don't have to keep flicking through windows and stuff.
Columns, I think we're at 3. So I'm going to put in there Studio Goggin for now. What's happening? There is something a bit weird going on.
There you go. So that's the header at the top, isn't it?
Yeah, that'll be over the parallax.
Right. Yeah, so
There you go, we've put that blue there now, look.
that's not blue, it's fucking green.
Well, it starts off blue, look, it's a grey.
I agree, Dave. Well, I can change that.
Yeah, but you saw how I did that there.
Yeah.
And that needs...
Get rid of that altogether.
Yeah. I'll take the text away, but you can see how you add that.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're stuck for life.
Oh.
It's because your machine's all fucking.
See that?
There you go.
There you go.
It's slow.
You should be able to make that white text anyway in design.
No, don't worry about it.
So,
No, I don't want to. I just. Yeah. But you know, I'd probably put.
God, things do my head in.
I'm not worried about the front end at the moment so much. I can change. I will change. I can't bear that green. But,
Yeah.
and grey daisy green.
Right, I'm going to make that your homepage now. Oh yeah. One last thing. If you go into your, this is your products. So on your homepage now, you're showing 3 products.
Yep.
But in the other page, you're going to be able to see all of them. Yeah. When you go to shop, like you just.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so if you go into design, this is where you've got all the options like the title of the product, price text, what colour, bold, etc. Spacing. So you can play around that as well.
So yeah, great. So that's the shop module settings in the shop.
So you've got a shop module on your homepage, only shows 3.
Yeah.
And then you've got a shop module on your main shop page, which shows all of them.
And that's the one I can change, isn't it?
Yeah. And there's two pages here now for you to edit. One is home.
Yeah.
And the other one is called Goggin Store. Goggin Store is your shop. Yeah.
So I go.
And Goggin Store is the same. Go in there. So if you go into, there's nothing else but the shop on that page.
Okay.
We haven't got the parallax thing on there.
Yeah.
And in there we've got 1,222 that's going to display.
Right.
And that's exactly the same. You go into design. It's got all the same, font and colour.
Yeah, great. No, play around with that. That'd be good.
So make sure that menus. Goggin Store.
And I can edit the text on that, can't I?
Yeah, you can go in here if anything's lowercase and you want it uppercase.
Just change it.
I
would probably, yeah.
I mean, my account, that's. You can have as a drop down, and that's basically if somebody's added to cart and they got lost and they.
Oh, so that's all you do is pull it out to make it a drop down. Okay.
You can make that. Oh yeah, that makes a drop down. Yeah, if you pull it out. Yeah.
I didn't know that. I did wonder why.
Okay.
You're doing that.
We'll put that uppercase as well. Just.
Yeah, just give everything now. As I said, I'm not overly worried about too much of the detail. It's just getting stuff up, isn't it?
Alright, let's have a look now.
I'm looking forward to changing some of that.
Oh, hang on.
Don't think
There's one thing I haven't done yet. Let's put that back to home. Yeah. Okay, now we'll look at the site and see how it. So that's how it appears at the moment. You go in there. And you've got shop, click on that. Oh, hang on.
Yeah,
That's not right.
No, that's right.
Go into the menu, appearance menu.
It is.
Goggin Store. Let's delete that one. Let's call it store just to make sure that. Just in case that's caused a problem. Oh, okay, right. Okay, let's not do that.
Well, we wouldn't have it on my account anyway, would you? So just.
Okay, that takes you here now.
Yeah. Great. And I'm just going to delete all of them anyway, aren't I?
Okay.
Just stop putting it in.
Page. The reason that menu goes like that is because we selected full width.
Right.
Yeah.
That's not such a bad thing.
No, it's a bit more contemporary, I suppose, isn't it?
I don't mind.
It's not where you. It's a bit unorthodox, but
it's not such a bad thing.
yeah, it's kind of cool in a way, actually.
Yeah, it looks like a shop, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Well, that's the bit you want it to look like a shop.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of cool with that.
So yeah, homepage we've got your parallax in, so you can play around with.
Yeah. Okay.
And try a different browser for that colour. Obviously you can go into that and go straight into the product.
Yeah.
And then you need to remember if you go into it.
We're going to get rid of all that, aren't we?
Yeah, so what you need to do is if you ever see that, go edit product and go up here.
Okay.
And that'll fix that issue.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Same when you create a new product from the beginning.
Well, I can just look on, what we've done with the one.
Yeah.
Storm Trooper, and I can just look on that and just show me, isn't it?
Go into store. And obviously you need something for your about. There's nothing on there at the moment. It'd be good to have a little profile, wouldn't it?
And then I'll get rid of it. Yeah, and pictures and stuff.
Some pictures of you in the studio, yeah.
Doing stuff like that.
So yeah, I mean, again, if you want to create your own kind of layout for that, what you're doing is, I'll put Divi Builder, think of all your content in terms of rows. So do you want the top row to be full width or not? If you do, then you click that, and then you click into there. Do I want there to be just one big image at the top going full width? Or if I want it to be a header, that means it's going to be text in front of the image.
It's a case of just messing, isn't it? Just a case of messing around with it?
Yeah.
And just seeing what it looks like each time until I kind of work, basically we all, never read a manual or anything, do you? You just keep going till you kind of work out what you like, really, isn't it? It all seems to be quite straightforward to me, though, apart from that.
Choose image or something. And then, if you want a text, maybe you want 2 columns, one with an image, one with a bit of bio on the side. Get the text block in there, and you can just write in there.
Really pleased, that's live. So if anyone doesn't look,
if you want some picture, there might be a picture of you doing something. Say that's a picture of you doing something or whatever, So you can go and edit that now. Just put some basic blocks in there for you. Obviously that picture was really narrow, so it hasn't. You can format that text however you like. Picture of you. You could have it as a sliding one as well. Could be one of you kind of close up one. So.
Of course, this is completely different on a phone. And that's where most people
the way this works out always is when you've got 2 columns, the left column goes on top and the right column goes on
I don't mind that.
So I think that's
great.
Pushed you forward a bit, yeah.
Yeah, well, that's kind of what I needed really, because I didn't really know where to move it forward. I was just kind of messing about really. I knew what I didn't like, but I kind of knew where I needed to go with it. I wasn't overly sure how to do it.
Yeah.
But I can mess about with it now. At least I can get things moving. And if I get overly stuck on stuff, I can come over and
do the same now.
Just change a few things. I'll kind of work out how I want to change stuff.
Yeah, let's stop this video now. We've also got this video now as well. With all that foul language.
Yeah.